In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude and VS Code. So what you'll have to do first is simply go and open your VS Code. Go and click on Ctrl+Shift+X to open the extensions. If you don't know how to do it, just go to this left panel and make sure to click on this icon, which is extensions. So once you click on it, extensions should open right here, and all you need to do, just go to search bar here and look for Claude code. So once you do so, you should find this one. Make sure it's by Anthropic. So click on it and you should find yourself right here, Claude code or Cloud Code for VS Code. Click on install right here. And as you can see, do you trust the publisher? Yeah, just trust publisher, trust workspace and install. And you'll have to wait for it until it's installed into your VS Code. So I'll wait for it until it's installed and I'm coming back. So once the installation finished, as you can see right here, you can start an example using it. So now go to the top right and you'll find the Claude icon right here. Click on it and it should start opening. So I had a problem before, it didn't open. And after a quick search, I found out that the recent version of Cloud Code has some problems. So all you need to do, if you saw the video as an example from maybe 2 to 5 week from now, it can probably be fixed. But if it's not, just go and install it, click on restart extension and go now to the gear icon instead. Click on gear icon and click on install specific version. From here, make sure to select this one, 2.1.128. Click on that and it should be installed. Make sure that you disable this auto updates option. And now if you go and click on the cloud icon at the top right, it should open normal. So now you can use Cloud Code on your VS Code. So here as you can see, Cloud Code can be used with cloud subscription or built based on your API through your console account. So here you can choose to log in however you want. Do you want to log in through Claude AI subscription or Anthropic console or Bitlock and Foundry or Vertex, whatever you want? For me, I'm going to choose that. They'll take you to a specific link. Just go and click on open. Or basically, you can, if the browser example didn't open, just go and copy this, go to your browser, paste that link. And here, as an example, as you can see, they'll tell you to upgrade to Max or Pro. So click on that. Make sure to upgrade your plan to Max or Pro. Once you do so, they will give you basically a code, authorization code. Enter it here, click on continue, and you'll be able to start using Cloud or Claude code inside VS Code. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.